Hello friends, welcome to China-XINNUO roll forming machine. Our factory covers over an area of 100,000 square meters and is equipped with a full processing production line for machines. Let's start with our part processing workshop. Our parts processing workshop, covering more than 8,000 square meters. It's where raw metals turn into processing components for roll forming machines. Here are our core milling equipment, 2 gantry milling machines and universal milling machines. They handle key parts like roll shafts and machine frames, ensuring dimensional tolerance within 0.02 millimeters, critical for stable roll forming. Next, our Research and Development Center. Our 15 engineers focus on custom roll forming solutions, from CD plain machines to Keel production lines. They integrate advanced technologies like processive forming stations, tooling equipment to accelerate profile needs. Now to the deep processing workshop. After milling, parts undergo grinding, drilling, and hot treatment here. We use 5 sets of cylindrical grinder to polish raw surface, ensure smooth metal forming without scratches. There is our assemble workshop, one of 2 large equipment workshops spanning 20,000 square meters. Technicians assemble components into complete roll forming machines, integrating automatic feeding, hydraulic punch, and auto shading system. Each unit goes through rows of test runs before moving forward. Finally, our finished production workshop. Here, you can see models for global cylinders, from standard plain machines to customer profile lines, all ready for shipment. China-XINNUO, from procession parts to turnkey roll forming solutions. Connect us for your custom equipment needs.